Hi, everybody. My name is Tyler Suard. I invented SmartBread, the Wi-Fi-enabled IoT bread. I heard about people putting Wi-Fi and IoT in their shoes, so I thought, why not bread? So here's some of the features. You can monitor your bread wirelessly, moisture detection, it has anti-theft software, and also slice inventory sensing. The purpose is, number one, to prevent bread theft, which has been on the rise in previous years. Also, when you're going shopping, you might wonder, do I have any bread at home? I don't remember. Well, guess what? You can pull out your smartphone and you can find out. Also, nobody likes bread that's too moist, so it monitors your bread moisture levels, and it gives you peace of mind with a 24/7 bread monitor. The components are a loaf of bread, whole wheat. I choose wheat because it gives me better transmission speeds, and an ESP8266 by Node MCU. Number one, I suggest before using bread for any project like this or eating it or anything, it's really important to remove it from the packaging first. Number two, you have to add the ESP8266 transmitter joystick and analog to digital converter. That part is important because bread outputs an analog signal and the ESP8266 only receives digital. The next one, you got to put in the doodads and the feeble binders and also an electronic distance sensor so it'll know when the fridge is open or closed. And you got to add additional components for flavor. And there's a schematic if you want to build your own at home. We're not done that yet, though. We have to code it, and you can see like a little tiny snippet up there at the top. But if you want, if you want to go to the GitHub repo, it's bit.ly/18GECVY. All right, so also I want to talk about Pi Bay, which is the conference that Grace mentioned earlier. And at Pi Bay, we're going to have a little Pi Maker Fair. It's going to take place on August 15th through 18th at the UCSF Mission Bay Conference Center. And we're planning on having over 800 of you guys coming. All right, and in this little room off the side called the pub, you see all those little tables. Each table is going to be occupied by a maker. Somebody who has made something using Python or MicroPython. I will probably not bring my bread to this thing because I actually ate it. But if you guys want to bring your own projects, you can put them up there. You can bring, a little turret, little SmartWatch that you made, anything you want, as long as it includes Python. And you'll be able to set up there and show it off. So we'll have 15 tables, 15 projects. It's one day of the Pi Bay conference, 2 to 3 hours. And as I said, it must incorporate Python. For more info, you can email me at tylerseward@gmail.com, or there's a link to the sign-up form on the Meetup page that you guys joined to come to this group. So you can just go back to that and check it out. Thank you, guys. If you have any questions about the Maker Faire or about SmartBread, come up and talk to me afterward. Thank you.